Howdy, I just want to share a little kit trick I found out recently. I've been doing a challenge on Substack to post some things, and one of the things today was to post a link to my newsletter. But I haven't been publishing my newsletter to the web, but that gave me an opportunity to figure it out. Now, what I had been doing was, I know there's a place, like if I click on one of my newsletters here, I can flip a switch here to make it public, but I was not really looking forward to clicking into every single one of these and flipping this switch here. That would have been a little bit annoying and a little bit tedious. But I found a much easier way, and I will show you what it is. So on the dashboard, if I go to, let's see, it was the grow section. It was the creator profile. And what that does here is I can go to pages, newsletter posts, and then right here there's public posts, select broadcast to display publicly. So I click on that, and there's a list that I can check. I can check all of these at once. I'm so happy. This is so nice. So I can just do this, and then all of these are, it's like going into each one and clicking them individually. I'm so happy about this. So anyway, wanted to share that with you today. Anyway, have a good day. Create things online so you sleep better at night, and I will chat at you later.